Hi, my name is Kyle from Wisconsin Dells, and we went with the Kinetico water system. Here's the system that Kinetico came in it installed. There's a pH balancer there. That's what that greenish tank looks like. Tied it into the water system. Also gave me an option to send pH to the grass. Help the plants grow. Over here we have a water softener. That's the dual tank non-timer. And all these systems, you can bypass them just by the turn of a valve. Install is very clean. I ended up putting up some plywood before they got here, which really helped everything look nice and clean. It's all strapped. The techs were really easy to work with. I had them throw in another valve for my drain here for the sprinkler system outside. So since they were already working there, they threw it in, and that was very nice of them. Thank you. Have a good day.